It's Friday and I'm trying to put the final edits on this week's video. We had a super busy week. Before we get started, I wanted to give you a teaser on my loft makeover series that I'll be doing for Made TV. That will be this summer, and I will put all the information so you can subscribe below. In the magazine Where Women Create came out. There's a whole article on my shop. It starts on page 88. Bobby's in it. A lot of you ask questions about Bobby. This whole article will answer a lot of your questions. So you can go to wherewomencreate.com or you can go to Barnes & Noble, Target. To catch you up from last week, I tried to give my patio a makeover, but it was a complete fail. I did not like the way I painted my picnic table, and it got me thinking maybe I should get rid of it altogether. It's looking really decrepit. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint it pink and navy blue.
Are you happy with it, Debbie? No?
No.
What are you guys doing? Are you both doing the head tilts?
We just got done with church and now we're gonna make hamburgers for brunch and go to the farmer's market, see if we can find some more of those keto donuts. And this is what happened to my dad's car, you guys. Look at that. That is freaking scary as can be. And here's his tiny table. Look at how cute. My goodness, it's like the perfect size. Let's just pretend I'm coming over. I set my groceries down. I can get my keys out. And then I walk in the front door. Let's go see my sisters. Lady girl, what are you doing out here? Why are you tied up out here? What's happening? I want to paint these steps. But anyway, here's my sister's table. And if I were walking in, I could set my, oh, she has a little motion light. I could set my groceries and walk in the front door. Oh, it's open. Hello, why is Sadie outside?
Well, she likes to sit out there and peek at everybody.
Oh, what'd you have for lunch?
A big burger.
Was it good? Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. This is my sister's new patio set. Not only does it give her a whole extra room in her tiny home, but it's super comfortable and a great place for us to gather. Farmer's market again. Levi. Levi, what are you doing?
He hides from you.
Hey, Zach.
Hello?
How do you say armoire?
I have no clue. You know, I know some French people that could probably tell you better.
What's going on? Are they gonna let us in? Okay. How do you say it?
Say what? Armoire. Armoire.
Don't say it.
Armoire.
Armoire. Tell us about how you had to report to the keto police.
You tell that story.
There was a vendor who had... Before I tell this story, I want to get into the DIY because we did a lot of great things this week and I'm basically just ranting about keto injustice. I really love navy blue and pink, and it's really hard to find that color combination in pillows and rugs, so I'm going to show you how you can bring the color combination you want into your home even if you can't find what you need. I painted it. I also painted the rug. Yes, I did. Stay tuned for more. This time I'm going in to see if I can find patio furniture for me. After last week's fail, I started thinking about my picnic table and how in the last 6 years I've barely used it. I'll eat out on the table and then I go back inside because it's not comfortable. And I loved my sisters, so I went into Home Goods to see what the options are. But I wasn't totally convinced because, as you can see, they're a big investment.
I don't wanna waste it on anybody.
We are at Home Goods right now. And Debbie is copying Mom with her patio set. We're scrapping the picnic table.
Did you notice that navy blue set for $1,000? I started thinking about how much I love navy blue and fuchsia. So the plan was to go back the next day with Ellie and get that, plus try and pick up some hot pink accents and pillows. It was not as easy as I thought. And so I had to kind of get DIY-ish.
So we cleared the picnic table. It's out on the street for free. Okay, so we are rolling up the old patio rug.
Literally crumbling as we roll it. I really think they made that.
No trash bag?
This is the rug I got at Home Goods, but I need to incorporate the hot pink. So I am going to paint the white part pink. I'm gonna roll it out and paint it and see how it goes. This is what the rug looks like right now, and I am going to add some hot pink. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of it, but I'm gonna definitely do some of it. I mixed up Kissing Booth and Petticoat Pink, and I am gonna finish up the rug right now. All you do, because DIY paint works like a dye, is you just spray the area and then you just run your paint right along where you want it. I spray it. Hopefully we're not going to get any rain, because once the sun cures this, it is on there. You don't have to worry about it. I painted another rug. There's an old video where I painted the entire rug. I just wanted to bring in some of that hot pink and navy blue factor, because my new amazing patio set is navy blue. So we just need to bring in some elements of the hot pink. I have an old video going into depth on how to paint a rug. I'll put the link below. And it hardly took me any time at all. Last night I listened to a podcast, and I think in 2 hours I painted this whole thing, and I just saved this part to show you on camera. I'm not worried about staying right on the white, because when it goes over, it just adds like a pretty purple color. My paint's a little bit diluted, so it sinks in because it's 5 times more pigmented. You can water it down and it looks really pretty. We're ready to roll it out. Here she comes.
Here she comes.
Walking down the street.
Cute. Is this even gonna fit? Is it gonna fit?
Barely gonna fit. Hey, Kelly.
So cute.
Super
Except
cute.
You put all the pillows on. You forgot to take the plastic off.
I know, because I am impatient. I like to add the accessories as soon as possible.
We just got our picnic table for free.
Loaded it all up in the van.
Woo-hoo!
Benches and everything.
You like it?
I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you for taking off our hands. Did you go, Debi? Whee!
I'm super excited. This is way better than my picnic table. And the guy who got it is really happy, so that was fun to make him happy. I'm gonna take these pillows and try and paint a pink background in here, because I really think that that pink element makes a big difference. Like, look at the rug and how cute that is. I mean, look at, I got this book at Home Goods, and it's all about incorporating massive amounts of plants into your living space. This is our executive lounge.
Hi.
This is where we work. This is where we edit the videos.
My office.
Here's our ocean view. Here's our little lounge. Once we add the plants, like this is,
It's my favorite place to be now.
I know. Why did we wait so long?
I don't know. Good thing we got rid of that picnic table.
Oh man, I'm so glad that thing's gone. So over there, I'm gonna put a shelf and I'm gonna put a bunch of plants up. I might have like a mirror back there on the wall, and we'll re-hook up the patio lights, and then this area still remains to be fixed. Do you remember this piece from an old video? It totally got weathered, but it has sentimental value, so I'm gonna break it apart and reuse it.
Not looking as aesthetic over on this side. We have got to figure out this side now, and Debi's gonna take that piece down. frightening?
Yeah, there's like spiders and decrepitness. I bought these pillows at HomeGoods because I knew I could easily add pink into the background. I really wanted to bring in that hot pink element with the navy blues and the greens. It is very easy to do this. This is an outdoor fabric. All I did was mix petticoat pink and kissing booth together. I watered it down and I applied it like a dye right on the pillow. Here are the pillows after they're painted pink. And here they are before the pink. You can set the color in the paint by hitting it with an iron or throwing it in the dryer. So I took a break from editing because the Where Women Create magazine came today and I want to see it. Okay. She said she'd leave it for me. Oh. There it is. And now I just want to give you a reminder of what my patio looked like last week and what it looks like now. Let me know what you think. I do not know why it took me so long to buy something like this so I can look at the sunset from my super dupery comfy little patio situation. Why did I have a picnic table for 6 years? This area still needs help, but I ordered a rug for here and I'm gonna doll this area up too. I don't know if I should keep this chair or try and fix that chair. This thing needs to be broken down for parts.
Okay, that was our original plan, is to add those two pieces, and we thought it would be 41 inches, but it's 41 inches from the top wide here, and then it comes down. So we are 2.5 inches shy from the corner on this side and 2.5 inches shy on the corner of this side. So we had to, once again, find a solution.
In a previous episode, we showed you that my sister's armoire did not fit into her tiny space.
I don't even know if it fits. So the top definitely pushes it away from the wall.
The crown of it was hanging over and blocking the window. So we removed the crown and I got this salvage piece from my shop as a solution for the top of her armoire. This is why I am going to save the parts from the broken down piece from my patio, because these decorative pieces are beautiful and you can repurpose them into new projects.
I painted it yellow just so I'd have yellow as an underbase. So you can see the back side comes to the edge, but we're gonna have to fill in this little area.
Well, what I can do is...
And see that little area.
My dad and my sister worked on her entertainment center. It was kind of a mishmash of different furniture pieces. I sketched out a plan and my dad kind of made it all come together. And now we're moving on to the entertainment center. I created a sketch for my dad to build a new unit around Danielle's existing pieces. I'm not 100% happy with the way Danielle's armoire looks right now. We will revisit that in a future episode. But here is a look at my sketch.
We went and got cedar fencing to put on the back of this. So we're gonna do that next. And the raw piece is put in place. And we're gonna put a piece over the top and attach it, and then we're gonna put a piece here. But that's what it's gonna look like. Not quite finished yet. So we got the fencing, the fence wood on the back, and now Dad is getting ready to cut the top piece to connect them. Okay, what do you think, Dad?
Well, it turned out pretty good. right according to your plans.
Debbie's plan.
I have similar plans for my dad's entertainment center, but in the meantime, it was back to the antique mall space.
Bobby, say hi to the women of YouTube. They say you're super handsome. What do you say?
Me? I'm a dork.
He's humble, you guys.
Yeah, I'm humble. I forgot how humble I am.
I did too. When I give Bobby a compliment, what do you usually say, Bobby?
Oh, thank you so much.
No.
I had no idea.
No, his usual answer is, I know.
No, I don't say that. That's a joke.
I gotta tell you, having an antique mall space is a lot of work. So if you have one, so much respect. It has taken so much longer than I thought to get this space together. I've had a lot of help from Rose and Jenny and Bobby. It's finally open, but not finished.
We were gone. Bobby put the lights in and added all the color name signs. It looks so good.
And finally, here's my rant about the fake keto vendor at the farmer's market. I may have overreacted, but I don't like false advertising.
Big banner, and it said keto desserts, and her desserts looked amazing, and I was all ready to dive into a tart. So everything's keto because there was no signage. And she's like, yeah. And she didn't convince me. Can you tell me what's in it? Well, we use gluten-free. Well, what do you use to sweeten it? Well, this one is made with honey, and this one is made with date sugar, and this one is made with maple syrup. That's not keto. And that's exactly what I said to her. Well, it's just one ingredient. It's kind of the main ingredient for keto. She goes, well, our good customers really like it. But I wanted to say, lots of customers that you're lying to.
Oh.
So then I went and reported her to the farmer's market
Police.
I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Ellie and I are going to be going to Sacramento on Monday to be a part of the IOD conference, so we will be filming from there. Here's a final look at this week's projects. We will be back next week with more fun DIYs, so be sure to subscribe. I also wanted to let you know that in June, I will be in Maryland teaching at the Created to Create conference. It is a fun conference for creative women who also like to incorporate their faith into what they do. I will put the link below to that, as well as all the products used in this video. And remember, to find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store, click the link below. Thanks for watching.